Welcome back to Auto Garage, the channel where power meets precision and legends are reborn. If you're passionate about automotive craftsmanship, rare builds, and next-level off-road machines, you're in the right place. And today, we're diving into a true masterpiece, the next-generation 2024 Spectre, a custom Land Rover 110 crew cab by Himalaya, officially unveiled and ready to dominate any terrain in style. The name Spectre isn't just for show, it's inspired by the rugged Land Rover seen in the James Bond film, but Himalaya has taken that legacy and cranked it up to 11. This isn't just a build, it's a transformation. A fusion of brute strength, luxury, and bespoke engineering, crafted for those who demand more from their 4x4. Under the hood, the Spectre doesn't mess around. It's powered by a 6.2-liter LS3 V8 engine, producing a raw, thunderous 525 horsepower. That power is controlled by a smooth-shifting 6L80E automatic transmission, giving it the kind of performance that turns gravel roads into playgrounds. Whether you're crawling over rocks or cruising the highway, this machine delivers relentless torque and refinement in equal measure. Built on the legendary Land Rover Defender 110 platform, the crew cab configuration offers a commanding presence and extra cabin space, while retaining the Defender's iconic silhouette. Himalaya has extended the wheel arches, reinforced the frame, and added heavy-duty suspension for extreme articulation and off-road confidence. Massive 37-inch tires wrap around custom beadlock wheels, giving it that aggressive stance and go-anywhere attitude. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a completely reimagined interior. Forget the utilitarian cabins of old Defenders. The Spectre is wrapped in hand-stitched leather, featuring premium Recaro bucket seats, a high-end Alpine infotainment system with Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and premium audio that turns any trail into a personal concert. The dash and console have been custom-machined for a blend of vintage charm and modern functionality. Exterior upgrades include a full roll cage, LED lighting package, roof rack with utility mounts, snorkel, winch, and a custom bumper setup that's both stylish and functional. The matte black finish and subtle badging give it a stealth look that's as refined as it is menacing. But exclusivity comes at a price. Each Spectre build is handcrafted by Himalaya, and no two are exactly alike. The price tag? Around $300,000 and up, depending on customization options. Yes, it's an investment, but it's also a one-of-a-kind experience. A road-legal beast built for the elite few who appreciate performance, heritage, and extreme attention to detail. This is more than a Defender. This is the future of bespoke 4x4s. The 2024 Spectre by Himalaya is the ultimate fusion of British legacy and American muscle, and it's not here to blend in, it's built to stand out. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification.